I looked up a recipe on the walkover, so I knew exactly how to make a cake. I was very good at it, you know.
My name is Fayarif,
I'm Grant Ford.
and I live in the Coronado dorm.
I live in Arbol de la Vida.
I currently major in business management. My hobbies include playing the piano and reading and watching movies.
I am a film major. My hobbies are watching films, making films, and also playing video games.
So the rules of the challenge was that we had
30 minutes to make a cake with,
no preparation time. We didn't have a recipe.
so we had to measure everything out and kind of figure out what the measurements had to be.
All right, we'll just mix all of this in a bowl and then wing it.
Okay, ready, set, go. Now? Yeah, okay.
I made beans at 3 a.m. It was very fun.
How do you melt butter? I'm gonna put in more sugar. Even if you don't have a microwave in your room, it's definitely helpful to have something in the kitchen to use when you're reheating food, or you want to put something in the community fridge. It's way too yellow. I've seen my mom bake. That did not look like this. Is this what it's supposed to look like roughly, do you think?
Is this what it's supposed to look like, roughly, you think?
Okay, I'm gonna do something really brave, and I'm gonna put in some lemon. How do you do it? Oh! Ooh, thank you. Way too zesty. Okay, where's the fork again? Yours looks so stop. It looks horrible. God bless whoever is eating it.
Now, I don't know who the judges are. That's kind of worrying.
My name is Jack Barnes, and I'm a resident assistant.
Don Motley. I'm an RA here at the University of Arizona.
My name is Aaron Leshner, and I'm a community director of Coronado Dorm.
I help out a collective of 29 residents. I am a resource.
The community director is there to impart some advice and direction that students sometimes maybe don't realize that they have, to not only direct community, quote unquote, but to also create a sense of belonging and relationships.
As an RA, part of my job is to help students to see their full potential, whether it be through social programs, like an ice cream social, or to help them through kind of the tougher things like academics, like if a student is struggling and they don't know where to turn to.
Hi, judges. This is a vanilla honey lemon cake.
Oh wow, that is the tartest cake I've ever had in my life.
Put a little bit of lemon.
Oh, mine's zesty.
It's overall a very, very strong attempt, creative ideas coming together.
Thank you so much for the feedback.
Yeah.
This cake was made with the finest ingredients that they provided to me. He's screaming in pain.
It's an interesting texture. I'm scared.
You took your paper that you wrote your ideas down and you gave that to us, and you were like, "Here you go." C+. We'll get to that one later. Just like my teacher. Which one would you eat again?
I would go with the heart one.
Well, we got one with the screen face, we got one with a heart, right? Very different messages.
I'm leaning towards the chocolate lemon honey one.
Are we ignoring the fact that she put a cup of lemon extract in there?
I mean,
We're bringing this back. We're bringing this back, and you just us. Fair enough. Okay, so I feel like you're all on that, but the bite of lemon.
Some of them choked after eating.
Hold on. That's the lemon. Ultimately, I think that we're torn on where we're at. Both bring up different sides to all this. What defines the cake, so to speak. But I think we'll have to bring them in and make our decision there. You both did a very good job utilizing the resources around you. Based on the taste and what we would eat again, given that circumstance, we did go with this cake.
Oh my god, what?
But no, I think you both did a very good job. Would you do this again?
Definitely, because I feel like I need to redeem myself. And I get cake out of it.
I don't even know. My cake baked. Is it edible? Yes. Does it taste good? No.
It was very fun, something I can tell my parents I did instead of just being like, what did you do at college? Nothing. Now I did something.